friends, so I am back again with another recipe. Today I am making shiny bonbons. I will tell you how to make bonbons without airbrush. So these are my bonbons. I have not used airbrush. I'm just going to use the normal paint brushes. First I will clean my mold with cotton pads. So it's very important to clean the molds throughout. And the second most important part is your surrounding temperature. I'm using here my tempered cocoa butter. So for tempering, you just need to melt your cocoa butter to 40 degrees Celsius and then reduce it to 27 degrees Celsius and again warm it up to 30 degrees Celsius and use it. I'm just making some splashes with my normal paint brush, the white color splashes. You can even drop your cocoa butter and let it set. Okay, I'm just giving some drops. Now I will give some rest to it. After the first layer is set, I will use another color, the same tempered cocoa butter, and I will make some more drops. I will clean my mold and now I will use my third color, the yellow color. This is also a tempered cocoa butter. So I will fill up the cavities, all my cavities with yellow color. And it's almost done. Now I will clean my mold. You can see. Now I will just give one coat of white color so that all the colors enhances when I will put my chocolate. Now after finishing this, I will give a little bit rest and then I will fill up with my tempered chocolate. I'm using here dark chocolate. I will fill all the cavities. All the cavities should be filled until top. Okay. And I will tap it to remove air bubble. I will fix one cavity as well. I will tap it and then I will move it upside down and remove all the excess chocolate. Then I will clean my mold. You can see it's very important to clean your mold. Give rest and after that fill your cavities with your desired flavors of ganaches. You can see how shiny our chocolate is. My light is showing in the bonbon. Look at this. It's completely up to you how you can use your brushes in your creative method. Okay, so I will fill my molds now. I have prepared sea salt caramel here. So I will fill my mold with the caramel. And we have done filling. Now I will give rest and after that I will temper my chocolate again to make a capping of this chocolate. Okay, so I will warm up a little bit from the top to join the caps. I'm using tempered chocolate again, and I will seal my bonbons now. There are several methods you can use, but for me this is the most easiest one. Some of my bonbons I have overfilled them. Now I cannot do anything to fix them. So be careful while filling ganaches. There should be always room to close your bonbons. And we have done. Now we will take it out. Let's see. Almost all of my chocolate came out. This is the magical moment actually. Okay, now I will put them on plate and I will show you. You can see. You can gift these bonbons to your loved ones and they will feel really very happy because it's all handmade. I hope you will make your bonbon and you will show which one you liked. So let's see how it looks from inside. Wow, it looks yummy. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will send this bonbon to my husband's friends. Until next video, ciao, bye bye.